what does equal access mean to you?
So equal access means that, the people who don't have a lot of money and can't afford a private attorney should also be, also have access to representation and to quality representation.
That everybody who calls and says, I have this issue, I need some help with that, and we are able to say, we've got that, that the person who's living in subsidized housing can access the same quality of legal services as the person living in Rittenhouse Square.
Regardless of your ability to pay, you are treated with the same care and dignity that somebody who's a wealthy person gets treated. And it's just a question of basic fairness and dignity.
Equal access is allowing them to go to an office, have someone who can help them to find their voice and make sure that they are able to be treated fairly by systems and get what they need in the same way that anyone else can.
And in the context of our work is making sure that all children, regardless of being at risk or vulnerable, so children with disabilities, English language learners, children experiencing homelessness, children in the foster care or juvenile justice systems, all of these children, kids in poverty, kids of color, can have access to schools regardless of their status.
To be able to provide the skills that we have to help those in need have access to justice that they wouldn't otherwise have because they can't afford to pay a lawyer.
Your outcomes in court don't depend on how much money you have, on the color of your skin. It shouldn't turn on anything other than how strong your legal case is, not who you are, not where you come from.
The idea of justice is based on equal access to the law, and the Bar Foundation allows that to happen in practice rather than just in principle. So the money that the Bar Foundation gives to organizations like ours really allows people who wouldn't otherwise have access to lawyers to get access to lawyers and to get access to information about their legal rights and maybe access to the legal system.